Okay, here we are. This is what we came up with. This is the way it turned out. And I mean, there's a lot of adjusting that we're going to have to do. But it did work. It worked exactly the way that I wanted it to. Actually, it fell down. Let me get this. Excuse me. Let me get this pulled out. We actually put a pillow in there right now because it helps filter a little bit, we think. And we've got this other small pump that we put in it, but we've got a lot of work to do. But it really looks pretty, the way we did it and the way it comes out. As a matter of fact, yeah. But there's a lot of adjusting and a lot of moving around that we'll do with our water to make it look good. Rooster Cogburn is not wanting to go to bed, and it's cooling off. We're going to get a cold front tonight. They're not wanting to go to bed. It's real frustrating to her. But anyway, there it is. The concept is working exactly the way I wanted it to. It just has to be fine-tuned so that it'll look the way we want it to. So anyway, thanks for watching, and hopefully we can get all this together. If by any chance she shows you me working on the thing in the garage, I was so washed out that I don't know that you could see it, so I'm not sure she'll do it anyway. But are you chasing your chickens? Huh? Is he upsetting you, Boo? There they are. There's her and her chickens. Say hey. Rooster Cogburn, ain't he pretty? He is pretty much a pain in her hiney right now. Anyway, catch you next time.